Ever wondered how to properly clean your dog's ears? Well, it's an essential part of their grooming routine, especially for those with floppy ears or prone to ear infections. Let's break it down into easy, manageable steps. First off, gather your supplies. You'll need a gentle dog ear cleaning solution, cotton balls or gauze, and a few treats for your furry friend. It's always a good idea to get a solution recommended by your veterinarian. Next, choose the right location. This should be a spot that's easy to clean because your dog might shake its head during the cleaning process, causing the solution to splatter. Before you start, make sure your dog is comfortable and relaxed. Hold your dog's head gently and reassure them with calm and encouraging words. Now, it's time to apply the cleaning solution. Follow the instructions on the container. Typically, you'll need to fill the ear canal with the solution, but avoid inserting the tip of the bottle into the ear canal. Then, gently massage the base of the ear for about 30 seconds to allow the solution to work its way down and loosen any debris. After massaging the ears, step back and allow your dog to shake its head. This helps bring softened wax and debris up to the outer part of the ear canal. Next, gently wipe out and clean the ear using cotton balls or gauze. Remember, only clean the parts of the ear you can see to avoid damaging the ear canal. And steer clear of cotton swabs, as they can push debris further into the ear canal and potentially damage the eardrum. If the ears are very dirty, you might need to repeat the cleaning process until the cotton balls or gauze come out clean. After cleaning, you can gently dry the outer part of the ears with a soft towel or let them air dry. Finally, reward your dog with praise and a few treats for being a good sport during the ear cleaning process. Afterwards, monitor your dog for any signs of ear irritation, such as increased scratching, head shaking, or sensitivity around the ears. If you notice any of these signs, or if the ears seem excessively dirty or smelly, it's time to consult your veterinarian. Remember, it's important to use products specifically designed for dogs and follow your veterinarian's recommendations. If you're unsure about how to clean your dog's ears, or if it's their first time, consider asking your vet for a demonstration. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to keeping your dog's ears clean and healthy.